Welcome to my video, guys. In this video I'm going to show you the tool that I use when I need a logo for a website. The tool I'm going to show you is called My Brand New Logo, and it's a software that generates logos using AI. It's fast and it's super simple to use. Let me show you. The first thing we need to do to start making a logo is to tell the software the name of the company, or in this case the website. Then just click on the start button to go to the next step. In this step you are asked to enter the slogan of your website or your company. And as you can see, my slogan is already here, so we'll just click next. The last thing we need to do before we can start generating logos is to tell the software where we are going to use the logo. This is to tell the AI what kind of layouts you want on your logo. If you have a specific color that you want for your logo, you can choose that here. If not, you can just click on Create My Logos and the software will start generating logos. You can always change the color when you have found your logo. Now you can scroll through the logos until you find the perfect one. If you see that the icons in the generated logos are totally wrong, just scroll back up and click on the button that says Replace Icon. Now you can write what kind of icons you want. If you want to use more than one keyword, just separate the keywords using a comma. After clicking on the search button, you will see a lot more specific keywords. Find the right keywords and just click on the keyword. Now you will see all the available icons for that word. When you have found the right icon, click on it to go back to the logo generator. Now if you see on the generated logos, you can see that they are using the icon that you have just chosen. Once you have found the perfect logo, click on the button saying Adjust Logo to go to the logo options. You now have the option to fine-tune everything on your logo so you can make the logo perfect. In this case, I want to change the color of the flower. To do this, I click on the flower, click on Fill, and choose the color I want for the flower. Now let's choose this green. Now my logo is perfect, so let's click the OK button to save the changes. Now click on the Save Logo button to save the finished logo. If you scroll down, you can see your logo with different background colors. You can also see your logo on different merchandise. If you pay for the professional package, you will get all the files you need to make all these kinds of design. When we go to the pricing page, you can see that you have 3 different options when paying for your logo. You can buy the basic package, which gives you only one low resolution file. So if you're only using the logo on your website, this package is perfect. If you want to have more options, you should go for the professional package. There you get high-res logos, you get print-ready scalable files, and you get your logos in multiple colors. You can also choose to hire a professional designer to make your logo even better. This is it from me in this video, guys. I hope you got some value from it. If you did, I would appreciate that you click the like button. See you in the next one.